Hey y'all, it's Reggie Dior. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I cover everything beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. If that's your niche, be certain to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you also want to hit the bell so that way you're notified when I drop new content, which is typically every Wednesday, but ever so frequently throughout the week. So make sure that you hit that bell so that way you don't miss anything as I drop it. Actually shift gears just a little bit, and I want to talk about taking care of yourself from the inside out. And as you guys know, nutrition plays a very important role when it comes to optimizing performance before, during, and even after a workout. What you eat and what you don't eat can impact the body's ability to train, adapt, and even recover after activity. So that's why it was really important to me to do a video for you guys that's taking care of yourself from the inside out. To a really tough workout and recovering after that really tough workout, protein is a major key. Today, I'm going to walk you guys how I make my chocolate banana protein shake, and it is going to be delicious. Okay, here we're going to use the NutriBullet blender. We have just a little bit of ice in the NutriBullet since the banana isn't frozen. We're going to use a handful of almonds. We're going to use a cup and a half of almond milk. And we're going to use 2 scoops of plant-based chocolate protein and 1 tablespoon of cashew butter and 1 banana. So we're going to mix all of these together. Okay, so now we have all of our ingredients in here. I know you can't see my face, but I just wanted you guys to really see me mix the rest of the ingredients in the blender. So I lowered the camera. And so make sure you have this on tight. I've seen this splatter everywhere. I've had it splatter everywhere a time or two, and it is not fun. So anyway, we have in here the teaspoon of cashew butter. We have 2 scoops of the plant protein. We have 12 ounces of almond milk. We have about a little tiny fistful of almonds. We have a banana. We have a little bit of ice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to list the ingredients down in the description also. So let's go ahead and get to blending. And usually my banana is frozen, but I had those fresh organic bananas, so I had to put ice in there instead. And then I have my cute There's No One Like You mug. There's no one like you. So we're going to use this. Actually, you know what? Let's save dishes. Let's just drink it straight out the cup. That's what it's for. So let's see how it tastes. It's good. It's very good. Protein is made of amino acids, which act like building blocks for the body. When you eat protein after a workout, It gives your body the necessary amino acids necessary to recover and repair. Increased or prolonged workouts or activity, it breaks down the protein in your body. So it's very important for you to refuel and recover by having a protein shake or some type of high protein after your workout. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next video, peace, love, and light.